Why most traders do not succeed in trading. Today, I will tell you the main reasons and most importantly, how to fix them and achieve such a balance. But before I remind you that in the Telegram channel BoosterBot, you can find the best currency pairs for the current day and make good money on them with detailed instructions, and in addition there you can find a promo code that will increase your deposit by as much as 50%. The link to Telegram channel will be in the description. The very first thing you need to understand is to work on a real account. Many traders trade on demo, try to work with BoosterBot on their own on a demo account, but they do not succeed. And why is this the case? There are actually two reasons. The first one is technical. For example, let's take this chart. You enter a down trade and the price starts trading at the same place. On a demo account it closes a little bit 1 or 2 points lower and you earn plus from this trade. But on a real account, the price goes lower and literally at the last moment goes up. This will not happen on a demo account, so always test all your trades on a real account. And let's say I open a trade for $1,000, that's 4% of my deposit. As you can see, I'm not risking anything and it's a fairly small amount of my entire deposit. I go to BoosterBot, I choose Euro Dollar and the expiry time I choose 1 minute. And I get a sell signal. I open my sell trade right from here. And the second psychological aspect is that you are trading on a demo account with unreal money. You'll see your numbers grow, you'll have 50,000, 100,000. You will feel like a millionaire, but on the real account, you will have only $100 or $200. That's why it's better to start with small steps. If you only have 200 bucks, just open trades on a real account. Let it be for small amounts, but there will be a lot of them. You'll get used to the real account, you'll get used to your money, and most importantly, you will have a real account, not a fictitious one. As you can see, a very simple deal brings me $920 of profit. At the same time, I did not make any effort, no heavy analysis, all thanks to the BoosterBot. So if you want to test it, it is better to open trades on a real account, but for small amounts. Let it be $50 to $100, but it is better than you will open on a demo account for 50,000 or 20,000 fictitious dollars. I will choose the next currency pair Euro Swiss franc. And now I'm going to open a 3-minute trade for $1,500. I select this currency pair in the BoosterBot. I choose 3 minutes and I get a buy signal. I open my buy trade for 3 minutes. And now I come to the second important rule of every trader. A lot of traders, especially in the beginning, are afraid to open trades. When you watch a video, when you read or just look at a chart, it may be clear to you how the price moves here. But when you get to the real market, you start to get confused and lost. How to open a trade, how to do it right, how to do it wrong. And if the price goes the other way, in general you have a lot of questions. How to fight with it. You need to look for patterns in the market. For example, you found a good upward movement, a currency pair that is constantly moving upwards, you try to trade on it. Again, if you are not able to trade on your own, you have an assistant in the form of a BoosterBot. You just activate it and start earning with it. But this is just as an assistant. To learn on your own, you need to practice. You choose one currency pair, for example, the same Euro Swiss franc. This pair has a very good movement, and you start opening trades. First 5 deals, then 15 deals. And so you get to 100 trades a week and start to understand the chart. The most important thing is to practice, practice and practice again. As you can see, unfortunately this trade closes in the negative. My analysis turned out to be wrong, and in such cases many beginners get lost. Or even worse, open many trades in the opposite direction. Here I opened on the upside, caught a minus. I open the next trade here on the upside. Again the price goes down and again a minus. And so there can be as many as 5 trades in a row which will close in minus. Therefore you need to cover your minuses in the long term. You may have 2 minuses in a row, but then you will have 5 plus trades. Then you will have 1 minus again and then 3 plus trades again. So always look at all of your stats together, all of your 100%. If you look at it cross-sectionally, you're going to have a very good day and a very bad day. So it's better to open a lot of trades and put your stats together. And the last factor you need to realize is that the amount you're going to open your trade for is just a number. There's no difference whether you open a deal for $30 or $3,000. It's going to be exactly the same trade both in time and schedule. The only thing that will be different is your amount and your nerves and your responsibility to that money. And let's open again on the euro-dollar a 1-minute trade. And I will show that it is really very easy to work with large amounts. I get a buy signal and I open a 1-minute buy trade right from here. As I said earlier in this video, it is better to work with a booster bot in the long term. At this point I was nervous, I was afraid for my trade, but still the price came to the desired value and the deal closed in the plus. I covered my previous minus and earned a good profit. In order for you to start earning a good steady income, you need to open a lot of trades. Practice a lot, and forget about the demo account. It is better to have a lot of trades with small amounts, but you will get used to this very schedule and get used to your emotions, to your real money, then you will be a king on a demo account. I will leave the link to the bot booster in the description. You will only need 10 minutes of your time to activate it. And if you don't manage to do something, then be sure to write to the support account, which I will also leave in the description. This is where I will say goodbye to you. See you soon.